Faye. In today's video, I'm going to share a trick with you that I've been using the past months and I absolutely love it during my photo shoots, and that is the dreamy effect in my photos. And we only need one thing to create that, and that is these. These are stockings or pantyhoses or panty, however you want to call them. The best part about them is that they're literally probably less than $1. They're not expensive at all, and they create such a beautiful effect in your photos, and I really want to show it to you during a portrait photo shoot. And we're not just gonna go photograph a model, no, we're gonna go photograph something I've never shot before. I'm very excited. Let's go. Oh, that's the one. So I found out a little hack how to mount this little net on my camera, and that is putting it over my lens, taking the sun cap thing, however you want to call it, and now it stays on instead of using an elastic band, which also works, but I thought this would be very handy. So the whole idea that I have for this photo shoot is to create that sort of mystical, magical vibe to the photos, but still with a nice grungy edge. It sounds like I'm telling you a recipe for a little meal, but a little grungy here, little mystical touch there. And we're gonna be photographing in a gorgeous forest together with our model Janne. She's also a very good friend of mine and incredibly talented, not only in riding horses but also in modeling, and you're about to see that. Let's start here because there's also light coming through the hole. Hole. Through the hole. Go, light coming through the hole. Okay, come on guys. Let's go. Let's go. So the lens I'm going to be using is the Sigma 35mm f1.4, and this might not come as a surprise. I literally use it on almost all of my portrait shoots. I really love it. You can't separate us, we're just always together. Okay, I'm gonna be very honest with you. The photos were way too dreamy for my liking. Like, don't get me wrong, I love that dreamy effect in my photos, but we lost quite a bit of sharpness in the shots. So I had an idea, and that is to make a hole in the middle of the stockings, and that way the center of our photos is sharp, but then the outsides are very nice, blurry and dreamy. So that's how we continued shooting. Wat? Ja, dat is echt een mega verschil. Ah. Moet je kijken. Oh, mooi. Wow.
Oh yeah, there you go. Sick, that's perfect.
Nice.
What a cool fact.
Okay, so I forgot to tell you one thing. You can also buy the stockings in sock shape, and that makes your life a whole lot easier, because you can literally take the sock and then shove it over your lens, make a hole in it, and you're ready to go. I love that the horse is white. So a little but cute fun fact about this photo shoot is that during the whole photo shoot you see a second horse, the brown one, because it came along as mental support for the other horse. The owner was telling me that if you separate them, one horse will probably freak out or feel stressed and won't be that chill in the photo. So we just brought the other one along for mental support, and it helped so much because our horse just stood still the whole photo shoot.
Don't even fucking think about it, okay?
Okay, next idea I have is standing here in the field, but then I can use the clouds, like the very stormy clouds. Wie doet dat, joh?
Oh, we moeten weg. Oké. Nee, niet tot laat.
We just heard whistles and we were like, where is that coming from? And then there's this guy sitting in this little cabin over there, just like, oh yo, you have to go, you have to go. So we got kicked out of this field. Apparently because it's too late. I don't think you're allowed to walk here, so...
That's bullshit.
Oh.
Did she just run off?
Yeah. Because of the fucking whistle.
Ah.
Right?
We almost lost a horse. But we're still here. And when it came down to the variation of my shots, I decided to go for a bit more full body shots, but also some close-ups. And besides that, my aperture, which I think is a really important thing about this photo shoot, was around 2.2. Because of course I wanted to have the horse in focus as well, and her jewelry and her dress as well. And it just really gave that crisp look to the photos. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it.
Good job. Good job.
Good job. Good job. And that is it. That wraps up the shoot. I'm so incredibly happy with how it went. I think we shot for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, which was already long enough because the horses were so done with us. But yeah, I want to say a massive thank you to Janne for modeling. It was just so cool to see her on the horse, especially without the saddle. It just looked so magical. So thanks, Janne. Let me know if you have any more questions about this photo shoot. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye. Doei.
I was like, why did it get zapped? I'm like, the fence is electric.
Yeah.
Touch the fence, babe.
No.
Do it. One little touch.
Nee.
Come on. It's not that bad. It's just a little zap.
Nee.
Just it's one little
I hate
zap.
that. I don't even like popping balloons. Hell no, you piss on them.
No, I can't do that.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it.
Come on, one little touch.
Huh?
Come on.
I touched a horse.
I cleaned them this morning.
Go. Hey!
Jullie show helemaal leuk. Geloof to the function.